Just a quick video today on how to reset the service light. And all we need to use are the two buttons on the left and the right of the screen. With the ignition off, we're going to press and hold the right button and turn the key. And if my phone hadn't fell off, you'd have seen this message. Press the left button for a couple of seconds and the message will disappear. And that's it reset. And it won't appear again for another 10,000 miles. I'm trying to put together a bit of a database of all the odd jobs on this car, as well as some mods and some more complex stuff later, so subscribe if you're working on one of these as well. Thanks for watching.